This video is for all those who have bought my In the Hoop Advent stocking and just want a little bit of extra help on how to do this. So first of all, we're going to get our 4-inch hoop. We're going to get our felt. So I'm not using any stabilizer on this because I'm going to put the felt in super tight, but if you want to put some in, that's entirely up to you. We'll be making sure that we're using a nice sharp needle as well. So this is just acrylic felt, it's not wool felt. So it could be a little bit tighter. So just pull it. And then we will tighten this up. Let's take it over to the machine. Thread your machine as you normally would. My hoop's all in, and you're going to select your pattern. So we want day 6. Yep, so it's snow globe and set, and did it embroider. So now it's finished the number and the pattern, we are simply going to take it out of the hoop. Then we are going to turn it over, give it a quick spray, and grab your other fabric, and then we're just going to stick this down. Give it a good press and then put the hoop back under. Let's take it out and clean it up. So I'm going to pop it out of the hoop. First we're going to cut it out. Now we're just going to cut off all of the jump stitches, which there are a few of in this design. There we go. And cut the ones off the back. There we have one stocking. The glue will eventually dry off, become less sticky. Just now need to poke a hole in and add it to your ribbon.